Ugh. Alright, oh, I guess we'll bust that one and grab it anyway. That one. Oh, wow, look at here. Fuck out of my face. See that? You wanna end up like that? Huh? There? Bitch. Ooh. Bitch.
What up, son?
What's up? Fuck you dancing for, bitch. You fucking dead yet? Oh my god, what a lovely party. Hold on. Actually, we got another one right here. Let's see. A single shot. Oh god, we have a single shot shotgun. This guy's fucking hands are so fucking big, dude. I don't know why. There's literally no reason for it. Get that shit out of here. There was another. There it is. Fucking runaway bitch. It's a bigger sawed off.
What up, son?
Hey. Can I ask you a question?
What up, son?
Hey, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? Oh, I missed. Got a question. You know what these are? You know what these are? Have you ever seen those before? Probably not. Oh, there's still one shot left for the wall.
What up, son?
I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna hold it with one hand. Hey, dude.
Hey there.
What's up?
What up, son?
What's up? Really? I was gonna say, I know that's almost us.
Hello.
Hello, bitch.
What
Stay
up,
there.
son?
What up, son? Really?
Well, hello.
Hello. You hold this for me? Right there. The fuck?
Oh, what up, son?
What's up, bro? Oh, fuck. Oh, well. Those things are pretty fun, dude. Alright, let's see. What else we have? Inventory, grab one of these. Okay, ammo. We need, nope. No, inventory. No, there we go. Okay. We need more of Fords. We need more of these motherfuckers. Basically just having a fucking free-for-all with these dudes.
All right.
Let's see. Back. Let's see, weapons. Guns. One of those. And then we're gonna grab a melee weapon, so why not? A dagger and a fire axe. Alright, cool. Let me grab this motherfucker.
Okay.
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Is it really out of ammo already? Holy shit. Give me this motherfucker. Give me one of them. Oh my god, why are my hands so fucking big? The fuck are you laughing at, bitch? Get that shit out of my face. Give me that 1911. Ugh. I hate how small the guns are in my hands. I don't know why. I was never like that. Oh. Let's see how many headshots I can get in a row. Let's see. One. Oops. Whoa. The sight's fucked up. Hold on, I gotta get a new mag. We're gonna retry that again. Because I wasn't looking down the barrel the whole time. God, this is a little laggy. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. These fucking sights suck. Dude, fuck this. Where's the shotgun at? Get this fat motherfucker off my shit. Give me this motherfucker. Yeah. There we go. See this? This is what happens to bad people. Boom, bitch. Oh. Oh, you're tough, huh? You think you can... Alright, hold up, bro. What the fucking...
How's it
What's
going?
up, bro? What's up? I'm fucking playing with you, bitch-ass motherfucker. How's that headbutt feel, bitch? Nah, because you're done. Come here. You think I'm playing with you? Where's that little double barrel at? Fat son of a bitch. Fat ass out of my way. Yeah. Here. Come on, give me it. Give me it. You stay right there. You want to see what I do to people that don't listen? I just killed somebody like that. That's crazy. It's actually over here a little bit, so it's not as laggy. Fuck. It's really laggy. Anyway, that's what happens to you. No, those are good still. What? Bro. It didn't show that they were spent, so I don't understand. Laggard and a motherfucker! Boo!
How's it going?
Boop. Get 360, pussy boy.
Hey there.
What's up, bitch? Damn, it's laggy. Holy shit. Smack you in the face with my shit. Boom. Jump right over your head. Whoop. Grab the bird dick. Boop. Fuck on my face. Boop. Yeah, I missed. Let's see how good you can fight. All right, how about your other arm? What's your other arm? Hold on. I hate this character. Why would it give me this fucking big fingered fucking retard? Damn it! Like, I didn't even pick this as my fucking character, and it picks me to be this stupid fucking thing. Come here. You ain't gonna live much longer anyway. Fuck out of my face. Oh my god. How are you still alive? What is this? Bullet banker. Oh. It literally gives you ammo, so you don't have to keep spawning. That's cool. Buddy, just give up. Just give up. Just give up. Literally, your fucking leg is done. So's your other one now. You gonna get back up now? No? I figured. Bitch. Oh, things are dead now. Yeah, guys, this is a little laggy. This will be a short video because I'm gonna end up having to make another one because how laggy this is. I'm gonna have to restart my game, but this will be on YouTube. So, bottoms up, guys. Bottoms up. I don't know what this is. We're gonna find out in a minute. It's I don't know. Oh, nothing in it. Are you fucking kidding me? You fucking piece of shit. No, dude. No, I ain't playing this shit. I ain't. Fucking bitch. Fuck is a goddamn. Where the fuck that is? Come here, you little fucking bastard. Piece of shit. I'm fucking. Why would you? No, dude. No, we're going off the top rope, motherfucker. We're going off the top rope. We're going off the top fucking rope. Bitch. Yeah. How the fuck that feel, mother? You go fucking. Hold on. Let me see where I'm at. Hold on. Let me see where I'm at, cause I'm making sure I ain't gonna hit none. You think I'm fucking playing with you, bitch? What's up, cut? Come here, motherfucker. Come here. Think I'm fucking. No, we going on the very top now, bitch. We going on the very top now. You think I'm fucking playing with you, bitch? Give me one of these. What is that? I don't even know what the fuck that is. Whatever that is. There's another one up here too. Fuck it. Frying pan. Oh, here. Ready? You get in the chair, motherfucker. Fuck you. I'm done. What is this? What do I do with this one? Plant large. Oh, I guess you unlock shit that way. Hold on, let me if I click this. I think it'll restart it. It might even not lag now. It might actually be good. Since I cleared everything up. No, it's lagging a little bit, not much. Never touch the fire. Oh, books. We got some books here, actually. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna grab this over here. Hold on. Got some books. I can't remember if one of these are the shotgun, but one of them shotgun. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. All right, guys, we got some. Actually, let's shoot some pot. Let's smoke some pot. Yeah. Yeah, let's smoke some more pot. That's actually fucking fun. Actually, I like destroying shit. Let's hit that bottle. Yeah, blow the fucking windows out too, why don't you? Fuck it. Fuck these windows. Fuck that sunflower out there. Oh, I missed it. Oh shit. Keep forgetting there's only 2 shots in the fucking thing. Get up with them lights. Wonder if I could blow a chair apart. Oh, can't. That's kind of gay. What about this chair? Yeah. Want to blow the picture apart? What about the cat car? Oh, there's a thing right here. Soup can. Fuck your shutters. Oh, look at that big ass one. Watermelon. Wonder if I can use watermelon as an object. Shoot, I probably can. Well, here, let's jump down here. Damn. Fuck your sunflower, bitch. Yeah, that's fun. That's fun. Let's see how far I can hit that one. Yeah, pretty far. I wonder if I can hit them across the map. There's one. There's 2. See if we can get that 3rd one. Yep. Kill. Not bad at all. I got an idea, guys. I have an idea. Let me just set my firearm down right there. Oh my god, what a lovely chair. And a cushion. And a cushion. Fuck your chair. Fuck your chair. Right in the ocean it goes. Oh, you want... Oh, you know what? Let's do the cushion first, because it's talking a lot of fucking shit. Damn. In the ocean you go. Wait, can you take these cushions off too? Oh my god, no way. You actually can. That's fucking cool. Get that shit out of here. Goodbye. Nah. Let me get this one off now. I might smell this one. What do I smell it? That is fucking disgust. That is fucking gross. Give me this fucking chair. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck over. Get the fuck over there. Go. Get on with your life. You thought you were getting away, huh? Oh shit. Fuck. Oh. Accidentally grabbed my fucking... I can't even grab it. Fuck. That's all good. Alright. Wonder how far we can actually go out of this map. I'm kind of curious. I wonder if we could jump over this wall and go up there. I think we can. Wonder if we can explore the entire, like, whole map. I'm kind of curious about that. If you can actually explore this whole entire map, I think that's badass as fuck. You might be able to. As far as it looks right now, I think we're able to. I think that would be cool. Hello. Oh, I could see the outline of where you can't go past. It's up there. So yeah, you can explore this whole map. That's cool. That's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. I probably just wasted ammo doing that, but it's okay. Oh, is there more shit for up here for us to shoot? Like some shutters? No, you can't. You can't shoot those ones. What the fuck is that? Oh, what the hell? There's a statue. There's a statue. Oh my god. It's... What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Yeah, hold up. There's actually a thing in here. So you are supposed to... What the fuck that is? A monkey? God, I need nuts. Fuck out of here, bitch. Alright, well, I don't think there's much more of this map other than a couple townhouses. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, it's cool that you can run around out here. Actually, let me, I don't actually have that fucking gun on me. Or not the gun that spawns, the spawning gun. I actually don't have that on me. Fuck. It's kind of dumb, I forgot it. There's a bell tower. Hello. Whoa. Come on, bitch. I wonder if I could shoot myself in the fucking face. Ooh, I can. I wonder if I can kill myself. Come on. Yep, I killed myself. Alright, cool. At least it spawned me back here, so... Shit. Utilities, weapons. Well, I didn't actually. I don't think I got the. I guess it's a single shot one right here. A little handheld one. That's cool. It's pretty dick. Or sick. Yeah, dick. I pulled my buddy's dick the other day. No gay shit, guys. I promise I'm not gay. Shut your bitch ass up. Shut your bitch ass up. Well, I think that's honestly it for the video for now. Like I said, I'll make another one later. Because, as of right now, there's not much for me to do. So why don't we all go take a little trip into the ocean together? Yeah, let's go into the ocean. Wow, I'm actually in the ocean. Oh wow, it's deep. Wow, crazy. But yeah. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out, and forget to drink your water. Goodbye, guys.